Hello everyone, this is David again, another missing video. So this is one I did like 2 months ago. So what this is, let me get a better view of it. This is my first, well I should say my second idea. It's basically, all it is a gravely walk behind L, but I added a Lineberry cart to the front. So those of you who not familiar with Lineberry is out in North Carolina, look it up. It's pretty neat little things nowadays for kitchens and dining rooms for place settings. It's pretty neat, unique items. So what I did on this particular L, a company down in Florida, I think Tampa Florida, created some tractors and modified them. In this particular one, we had the alternator added to it. I wasn't the one that built it, it was done years ago. So based on the rough machine I had, this has an alternator on it. So of course this is a early 60s because it's got the dry canister filter. So they had added an ammeter in front of it, on-off switch, a generator light or alternator light, plus the actual company who actually made it for. So just added some tires, changed the fuel around. So this little train theme of lights. So this little cart is my maintenance cart number 2, because number 1 is right there, the 4x4. So I went a little bit lighter design. So here, gas can, oil, air compressor line. So this design, of course, I have with the alternator. I got to add my inverter, my jump box, my air compressor, and whatever tools I need for it. So I can use it around. So I got a snow plow, so it articulates from side to side. And running battery cables for the inverter. And that's it. Thanks for watching.